Migration will define our future because migration is our future.
Migration really challenges our understanding of us and others.
How can it not be the future for all of us?
The MA in Migration Studies is an international MA at Tel Aviv University. It's a 3-semester program, so it goes for 10 months.
The program began out of our interest here in the issues of migration and the fact that we have many faculty around campus that study migration and various aspects of it.
In most universities, it's often a specialization, but here we decided to take it as a full master's program.
Only through looking at the different dimensions of migration and the different consequences across these dimensions can we really get a good understanding of what migration really means.
You get to learn from every point of view, which can be overwhelming, but it's really useful.
Students had to pick a topic for an assignment and then develop it and study it and bring also applied solutions that they think for the problems.
It gives students in the program the opportunity to experience working closely either with organizations that work with the migrants themselves.
While I've learned many things in the classroom from an academic approach, I've learned things in the short time in my internship that I couldn't have learned at school.
I was able to develop my own identity in this migration world and profession.
We come from very different academic backgrounds and countries.
This is an international master program. Your classmates are from all over the world.
Which makes the classes very rich in the different responses and discussions that you don't get usually in a more homogeneous classroom.
A student coming from China could compare Chinese policies and bring to the class a subject that we were not sufficiently familiar with.
Then when they will work with different migrant populations, this will actually transpire on their own work.
Israel is a lab for migration of various sorts since probably the 1990s in particular.
There's a general ease of access in Israel that you don't get in many other places.
Everything is very concentrated, either Eilat or Tel Aviv, so it's rather easy to do mapping.
It's happening around us, and it's also something that I'm studying at the same time.
My favorite course is research methods.
My favorite was definitely comparative immigration policies.
Ethnic identity.
Everything relating to human rights and international development.
The migration in the field, because we get to do an internship.
Because it takes the abstract and makes it more concrete.
The course provides a comparative perspective and let us know that how other states also dealing with the same issues, but some are different and why.
That's the most interesting thing, what people think about themselves, what they see of themselves. I hope to go further into organizations that deal with migrants and how they're dealing with living in a new country.
I hope to work in the NGO in Israel to deal with asylum seekers and refugees.
And I'm hoping to make a difference in people's lives who face challenges in those areas.
I truly think Tel Aviv is perfect for studying the migration.